welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I do that messy, undone / Victoria's Secret I just woke up like this hair. I partnered with NewMe in this video, which is absolutely amazing. No lie, I have used NewMe for years. They started making these wands when I first started YouTube 7 years ago, and I swear I was like one of the first influencers to hop on that NewMe train. And ever since, that is all that I do, or that is all that I use to curl my hair. So when they reached out to want to do a video, I was like, absolutely. It's genuinely the tool that I use every single day. And yeah, this tool is so easy to use. It heats up quickly. It creates these amazing waves, and I am going to show you how to do this hairstyle today. Also, being that I am partnering with NewMe, they gave me a 20% discount code to give to you guys. The code is right here, and I will also link it down below in the description bar for you guys. But yeah, enough about that. If you want to see how I did this hair, then keep on watching the video.
All right, for this particular hairstyle, I'm going to be using the NewMe 25mm classic wand. I've used every kind of NewMe wand you can think of, and they're all amazing. This size is my favorite. So of course, turn it on. And to do this hairstyle, I like to break my hair up in sections. Now I have thin hair. See, this is my entire bottom half split in 4 pieces. It's pretty crazy. Take this fabulous wand, and the way that I do this hairstyle is wrapping my hair around the wand like so. Make sure to leave the ends out, and this is the trick for the messy part of it. Hold it up until it cools, and then pull the curl. I know, you're like, wait, I'm taking away the curl, but that's the point of this. This is undone. Oh, and be sure to use your glove if you are a newbie. I didn't use mine because I've been curling my hair for years. And same technique, wrap away from your face. Hold the curl for a second until it cools, like so, and then let it go, and then pull, just like this. Pull and twist it away in either direction that you prefer. I like to flip-flop it, and it's gonna kind of make the curl look like this, if you will. There's not a specific direction or movement to it, if you will. And same thing for the front. And excuse little white pieces, I've been painting my house all weekend. And that's the trick, you guys. Just take it right after you've gotten it to cool, pull it, twist it around, and then fluff it out, and you've got these amazing waves. You guys, this takes no time at all.
So this hair will last me until I wash it. That's how well this curling iron holds the curls. So I will style it with dry shampoo, of course, and these 3 hairstyles that I'm about to show you are my favorite ways to make these waves last. So stay tuned for that as well.
All right, now guaranteed you have seen these hairstyles before, but they are my go-tos when my hair is curled or I have some texture. I like doing this half up, you know, Ariana Grande vibes type of hair. It's really easy. I feel super youthful. It matches certain looks. This look is not for everyone. I know what you're thinking, but I just love it. It's adorable. This next one is literally just a ponytail, but since your hair is already curly and waved, when you put it in that low ponytail and you pinch the middle of it, if you know what I'm talking about, you'll see here in a second, this little pinch right there. It looks like you spent hours curling your hair, but really it's just dirty hair, and you just threw it up, girl. So easy, and I promise you these curls last you forever. You know what I mean, especially if you have dry hair like me. And the next hairstyle is super easy. I have done this hairstyle since high school. Pull some twists from your bangs, topsy tail that bad boy, you know, flip it inside out, and that's it. You're done. And that's how I do my waves, you guys, my messy, undone waves. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to link everything down below, my discount code, everything. Thank you for NewMe for partnering with me in this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.